Employee functions control certain aspects pertaining to employees as well. First of all, we have set employee access cards. So in the event, for example, that an employee came in and they said, I lost my card or it got broken or whatever the case, then what management can do then is go into this screen, go into this function, and from here select on the desired employee, and from there be able to assign them a new card. So for example, I'll choose Joe Driver. And then from here, I can now take another swipe card, swipe it through, and that will be the new card that's assigned to that employee. There's also these two functions here, good performance and poor performance. Now these are basically evaluation functions that help management to determine the performance of an employee. So for example, if a customer comes up and says, I had Susie as my server and she did a really great job, then you can select on good performance, and from here identify who the person was, and from here you can give them some form of praise on this that would be pre-programmed into the system. Now in doing that, a message will then be relayed across through the point of sale system to that employee, identifying that they did receive a good performance point on that. And inversely as well, if there was some kind of complaint as well, then you could select on that, and there would be something pertaining to a poor performance point on that. And I should point out as well that each one of these carries a weight value to it as well, and there's a back office report which reflects in terms of the employee's performance and how they rate over a period of time. Another function that's available is transfer all checks. So for example, if I want to control the transfer of open checks from one server who's finishing their shift to another server who's beginning their shift, then I can do that using this function. And within here, I can say, for example, all open checks from Susan and transfer checks to, let's say, supervisor, for example. And so this way, management can control this rather than allowing the employees to do it. And the last function here is employee schedule. And so within this is a quick view of what the schedule is for each of the various employees and departments and job positions within the establishment. Now this will pull information based on the employee schedule function, which is a back office function within the PixelPoint system. But within here, I can filter as far as all employees, employees present being those who are currently clocked in, not present, employees who are not clocked in. Along with this as well, by department, kitchen staff, management, and restaurant, or by job position, being clock in and out, wait staff, normal, and so on. So you can use any of these filters to identify what is the scheduled shift times for each of these employees. And along with this as well, I can filter down based on select employees or all employees, and also I can view this on any given date as well.